Hi, welcome to Anatomy and Physiology Honors. So we're going to talk a little bit about the course overview, Google Classroom, and Zoom etiquette. So let's get started. In this course, we will explore the following items, including but not limited to root words, level of organization, cells, tissues, integumentary system, skeletal, muscular, and nervous system, digestive, respiratory, circulatory system, endocrine, reproductive, and immune systems. And I have to say that last year, anatomy and physiology was my favorite class, especially during quarter 4. And when I say that it was my favorite class, it was my favorite subject to teach because I got to do the lessons myself. It was not on Edgenuity, and it was fun. And I got a lot of positive feedback from my students. So I'm really excited for this online opportunity for us to learn. Personally, I do wish we were in the classroom, but we got to do what we got to do. So we are going to learn. We're gonna enjoy ourselves, and I'm looking forward to teaching anatomy and physiology honors again this year. All right, you're going to find most of your work on Google Classroom. All of the teachers throughout the whole school are using Google Classroom, so that's really nice. It's like a one-stop shop. I would suggest that you have your students save their login to their phone. Have them add your email address to the class page on Google Classroom. So once they get the code during our first Zoom meeting as a class, you can click on the class. They've added the class. You can go to the menu and you can add your email. That way you'll get updates from Google Classroom. You could also log in with your students' email and check and see if they have anything due for any of their classes. But trust your student to know how to do things. These kids are smart. They know technology. If there's something that you don't understand, ask them. I bet they could help. All right. And I also suggest that you help your student set up a schedule or approve a schedule. So they do have to log in during certain times, but they should also be studying or reviewing or doing homework or working on assignments, whatever they're supposed to be doing. And since you're going to be at home, they should have a schedule that they should follow. That's my recommendation. All right, so we are going to be using Zoom, and so I will share my Zoom Etiquette 101 with you. So Zoom Etiquette 101, things to do and not to do. Please arrive on time to meetings with your camera on. Camera needs to be on during the entire Zoom meeting. Sit in a quiet spot with limited distractions. Keep yourself on mute and raise your virtual hand to speak. And I will go over all of these things to make sure everybody knows how to do them. During our first Zoom, dress appropriately. You still need to adhere to Somerset Low-C dress code. Make sure family members know not to disrupt you at this time. So it would be like we were in the classroom. People aren't going to be walking in the middle of a classroom. We expect the same thing. At home, don't eat or drink during our meetings, please. Don't walk around with your device. Stay in one spot during our meeting. Don't turn on music or the television or Netflix or whatever it is during the meeting. Again, we're still at school. You're just doing your part at home. And don't forget to smile and be happy that we are still a learning community. I am really looking forward to this virtual year. I am ready for the challenge, and I hope you are too. And I'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye.